Are you tired of the daily rat race? Do you find that you want to earn money on the side, but don't have a lot of time to dedicate to building up a side hustle? What would you say if I told you that you can start a side hustle, make a good enough income to replace your job, all without having to do a ton of ongoing work? Sounds enticing, eh? Well, I want to share with you 4 lazy ways that you can start a side income to grow your wealth, so that you can escape the rat race of life. Let's explore these methods together. Be sure to stick around to discover the laziest way to make money online, and for a bonus way. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. You may have come across this method of making money online, and for good reason. It's a fantastic way to earn money passively. Affiliate marketing is essentially you are being paid to be a spokesperson of a product or service. You enter an agreement with the business to promote their products to your followers, and you are given a link to share. When someone buys a service or product with your link, you get a small commission for that sale. While it may not be lazy in the way of having to build a following, once you've established a following of some kind, the traffic and business do most of the work for you. Plenty of social media influencers have affiliate links to various products that they use and love, and you've probably come across a few of these ads yourself. The lazy aspect also comes into play in the fact that you don't have to deal with products, shipping, customer support, etc. You literally funnel people into the business that you're promoting, and you get a commission on each sale. Pretty easy, straightforward, and lazy. Now, there are plenty of opportunities to choose from. Some businesses offer products where it's a one-and-done transaction. Others offer a subscription, which means recurring commissions for you on your purchases. There are so many businesses that offer affiliate marketing, such as Amazon, HubSpot, Instapage, ConvertKit, etc. If you have a social media brand, you can promote these various services. Depending on what you have, you can promote them on your Instagram page, TikTok, YouTube, a blog, or others. Wherever your audience is, you can reach out to them very easily. Do some research into which ones you want to support, then watch the bank account rise. Number 3. Build a website. Now, when it comes to building a website, you might think that it will take you months to get everything set up. While there can be a significant amount of work you need to put into developing a website up front, you don't have to learn coding to build it. You can simply use a website builder like Squarespace to build a site in a couple of hours. Now that you have a website, how do you make money? Well, if you have a following, you can easily start using the site for blogging and affiliate marketing. If you have products, you can start selling them on your website as well. You can even run ads through Google advertising to generate an income. Don't have a following? Pick a niche that you love and want to write about. Have a love for cooking and creating new recipes? Write about it. Are you passionate about gardening within an urban environment? Share your knowledge. The main thing you have to remember is that you have to have traffic going to the site. Otherwise, you'll have a website that isn't earning you money. You can look up how to do SEO and other search optimizations to get traffic to your site. Now, you're probably thinking that this seems to be a lot of work for a lazy way to make money online. Yes, you need to build a website, which takes time. Once it's up and running, however, it pretty much pays for itself. If it's a storefront or a blogging site, you can update it in a couple of hours with some fresh content or products. Other than that, there really isn't much to it once you get going. Number 2. Faceless YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, or any video without someone looking at a camera, you are watching a video on a faceless YouTube channel. Obvious, I know. The thing is, faceless YouTube channels are growing in popularity and can be a great way to earn income in a lazy way. The first thing to remember is this: you aren't on camera. Therefore, your editing won't be as time consuming. Secondly, while getting the channel up and running may take some time, most of the ongoing work can be done without your involvement or input. You can hire people to write the scripts, provide voiceovers, edit the videos, and manage your channel without you having to do any work at all. Yes, it may cost you in the beginning, but if you can earn money, you'll have an asset that pays for itself in short fashion. There are channels out there that make thousands of dollars a month in a relatively short period of time, say a year. If you want to save on people doing the work for you, you can even utilize AI to help create different videos for you. Yes, AI generated videos can be a bit clunky and a bit unpolished around the edges. Yet, if you want an affordable way to generate videos in the lazy fashion, utilizing AI tools can help you do just that. Some ideas for a faceless YouTube channel include top 10 lists, explainer videos like this one, compilations, etc. The main thing you want to remember is that you will want to create videos that people will want to watch. Optimize your thumbnails, editing, titles, and SEO to help your channel out immensely. Once you get it up and running, one video a week is really all you need to keep things going. Number 1. Investing in the stock market. I can't end a video talking about lazy wealth building without talking about the stock market. Now, there are ways to invest in the stock market that aren't lazy, such as swing trading and options trading. What I'll cover today though is how to invest the lazy way. Now, if you haven't watched my video on stock market investing, I'll give you a quick explanation here. Essentially, when you buy a stock, you buy a part ownership in the company and are taking a bet on the company growing. If it grows, the value of the stock goes up. If it fails, your investment becomes zero. A potentially risky way to invest, but a potentially lucrative way as well. There are many ways to invest in the stock market. You can research individual stocks, buy index funds, mutual funds, ETFs, options or futures, among other ways. You can decide what's right for you, but the main method I'll suggest for lazy investing is to buy an index fund. These funds are a pool of different stocks that track an index. These allow you to invest a small amount of money into different stocks and can reap the benefits or losses of the index. Mutual funds and ETFs can work in similar ways, but many of these are generally managed by a portfolio manager, making investment decisions on your behalf. Whatever method you decided, buying a fund tends to be the laziest way you can invest. Remember to do your own research and find out which method is right for you. If you can't decide, speak to a licensed professional for advice based on your situation. Bonus way. There are other ways to make money online that are lazy, such as filling out surveys, doing microtasks, or even playing games. That said, these ways don't typically pay out very much, and are sometimes not paid out in the form of cash, but rather points for gift cards. That said, you can still earn $5 to $10 at a time from them, so give it a go if it fancies you. As a disclaimer, none of these methods are guaranteed ways to making millions. If you work at these methods and get them to a point where you can run them on autopilot, you can earn a decent income, but it's not a guarantee. As you can also tell, these methods do require some work up front. That said, once you get going, you can manage each method with a couple of hours of work each week, freeing up time to do other things that matter to you. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to watch my last video on having a wealthy mindset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.